One of the best ways I've found to call without a SIM card is using Google Voice. If you don't have a SIM card, it means you don't have a plan with a cell phone carrier. You can have a physical SIM card in your phone, stuck in the side somewhere. You can also have an eSIM, which is just a digital SIM card. If you don't have either of those, you can't make phone calls. But with Google Voice, you can. In the App Store, if we search for Google Voice, it's one of the first results. It doesn't have super high ratings because it can't be used in every country in the world. I'm pretty sure that's why. There are other ones as well. TextMe is one of them. They have lots of ratings and 5 out of 5 stars. There's a whole bunch. If you look up voice call, you get a whole bunch of different options. I prefer to use Google because I'm kind of in the Google ecosystem. I use Google Workspace. I use Google Drive. I use YouTube. I use Gmail. And so Google Voice just integrates with all that. And I don't know if I can really trust Google with my phone calls, but I also don't know if I can trust this rando who I don't even know. At least Google, you know where their headquarters are. You know they're a publicly traded company. They're not going to do too many shenanigans with your stuff. At least I think. Anyway, I use Google Voice, but there's a bunch of others you can try if Google Voice doesn't work in your country. And all you have to do is download the app. And when it's downloaded, you just set up an account and follow the steps, and you'll have voice calling capability without a SIM card. With Google Voice, you can even do text messaging, and there's voicemail, and there's even spam call filtering, all kinds of stuff. Let's open this. It's going to ask to sign in to a Google account. Let's do this one. And here it says, your account isn't ready yet. Please contact your Google Workspace administrator because it's a workspace account. So this works for, I forgot to mention, it says it right in the description of the app as well. It works for personal accounts, not for workspace accounts. And also, I'm in Canada. So if you open this with a personal account and you go through the steps, you'll have a phone number with Google that you can use to make voice calls. You can even make those phone calls right through your Gmail account, which is pretty convenient. Once you have it set up, you can even make those voice calls right in Gmail. But again, if Google Voice doesn't work for you, try one of these others if you're willing to sign up with them and have them use transmit your phone calls and text messages. And you'll be phone calling without a SIM card in no time. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. And then check out this one right here, which is going to show you how to find and delete malware and viruses on your iPhone. Super important that you check out that video because you don't want to get infected. So check out that one next, and I'll see you there.